Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So today actually I have to give you so many updates. By the title you must have read, but I'll tell you. So तुम्हारे भाई का एडमिशन हो गया है MBA कॉलेज में IBS हैदराबाद, and obviously because of this corona I can't go to college, like I can't go to Hyderabad for that. It is sick. Also, so there are online classes which are starting from today, that is 20th May, alright, 2021, and I am hell excited. Like I am excited right now, but I don't know about later on. Also, I chopped off my hair. Just see, just this. Can you? They were so long and I chopped it off. I don't know why, but I did it. So right now it is 9 a.m. and I woke up at 7:30, yeah, around, and I have done everything. Like I've taken shower and everything. Now I am going to set up my routine for next 2 years. The thing is, because of this lockdown, the routine is so messed up. Like I wake up late, I sleep late, and this is so messed up. And finally I will set my routine. Yeah, I hope it will be good. Let's make a to-do list. Like I actually make to-do list every day, but let's make a to-do list for today. Let's go. So this is my diary. Like I make my to-do list in this. Like I make my to-do list like this, like the one day here, second, third, fourth, like that I make a to-do list. Let's meet right now. As I mentioned, today is my first day of college. Right now my induction classes are going on, not going on, will start today till 31st May. In these classes it would be like that they will actually give us a brief about what we'll study in semesters, and my semester will start from June 1st. Like I have to do registration for June for semester 1 on June 1st, and from June 2nd the classes would get started. Also, yesterday I did my registration for these this induction classes for today. So I just finished my registration here, and this one 0 semester, which is induction classes, which will be going on now. So these are the 3 courses for which we have registered for induction classes. So my first induction class would start at 10:30. Like they have given a timetable. I am in section I. If you guys are watching section I, hit like and comment down below here that you are from section I, and then we can be connected like that. Okay, the thing is that it's like 9:30 to 3 p.m. my classes all together, but the thing is, according to the sections they give classes, so right now today I have classes at 10:30 and 11:30, so 2 classes are there. Yeah, I am excited for many things. First thing, I am in post-graduation. I'm doing post-graduation MBA. Secondly, I'll meet new people, like altogether so many new people. Finally, my routine would be better. I will do something. I was literally doing nothing before because my graduation was over and there was a time in between. I was literally spending my quarantine like watching series, movies, and playing PUBG. VPN. I won't share my ID because it's not good. The name is not good. मुझे name card भी नहीं मिल रहा जिससे मैं name change कर सकूँ. So let it be. Okay, so I'll take you to the induction class soon at 10:30. Meet you there. Guys, the class is started and yep. Right now what happened was like they have provided us. Oh shit, I have to turn on the camera. Okay, bye. Everyone has turned on their camera and I too have to. So I've changed my place. I was sitting on the sofa and then I just came here on chair and table. So right now my class is going on. Like it hasn't started. Like it has started, but you know, just haywire. Because today is the first class orientation. So yep, people are joining right now. Why are people are not punctual? And I'm listening to them also, and I'm talking to you also. Multi-talented person. Sorry, multitasker. मेरे सेक्शन में बहुत सारे सेक्शन आ गए हैं. लाइक मेरी जो मीट है उसमें बहुत सारे सेक्शंस आ गए हैं. ऑलराइट, मैं मिलती हूँ क्लास के बाद. ओके, सी या.
So, sir, is it possible that I attend the other section classes of the particular?
So guys, right now my first class is over and that was just basically for the basic information about the college and everything. Now I have the class at 11:30. It will start, which is just in 1 minute, and it is till 12:20. Like 12:30 you just take it. Also it's quantitative methods. I don't know, maybe they would just brief about what subjects, what subjects, what chapters would be there or something like that. So when this will be over, I'll tell you. My classes are over. There were just 2 classes today, and first one was briefing about college and everything, and then the second was quantitative method. 1 second, yeah, I just what happened was, like in QM, the quantitative methods, they just told us the basics, like how data is important and analyzing it and many more things. हमारा आधा टाइम तो अटेंडेंस वाले उसमें ही चला गया, because there are like in my section there are seat numbers, like in every section obviously there are seat numbers, and accordingly you have to mark your attendance. So आधा टाइम तो फर्स्ट डे यार उसमें चला जाता है, you know that. Alright, तो इतना कुछ नहीं था, but it was good, like it was good. Alright, so it was just a basic class and now I am so hungry. I am literally starving. I have not eaten anything since morning. Okay, I'll just meet you after eating something and I'll just probably watch some YouTube videos. Yeah. Alright everyone, so this is the next day. I am through with my classes. Right now it's 3:15. Today was also great. I was added to 5 WhatsApp groups right now and I had interaction with so many people. It was awesome to know so many people all together, and let's see how it goes. Till then, stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below how was your experience in college and something related to that. See you in the next video guys. Okay, bye.